Hi, I'm Rob Pelk, founder and CEO of Advantage Lumber. We manufacture and distribute our building products throughout the United States and ship worldwide as well. We sell to probably 25,000 different customers every year. Probably 98% of them we never actually get to meet. It makes me sad. Let's change that. We got the JLC Live show. It's the biggest show for residential contractors anywhere in the United States. It's March 23rd and 25th in Rhode Island at the Rhode Island Convention Center. We'll be there. We got a booth.
JFC Live, we'll be talking hardwood decking, deck tiles, rain screen siding. We have dock material with many different options in hardwoods and composites. That's right, we're now carrying composites, PVC and HDPE decking, hardwood flooring, porch decking, ceilings, and soffits. We can pre-finish them for you for quick, fast exterior applications. We can do end matching for you as well. Our live edge slabs, which are really popular for building bar tops, kitchen counters, islands, tables, desks, and of course, our hardwood lumber program. We have walnut lumber, teak lumber, mahogany, and much more. Hardwood decking stakes. That's right, we make stakes out of teak so they don't rot before your project is complete. Got a spring project coming up? JLC Live is the place to be. So check out our booth there. It's March 23rd through the 25th. Go to AdvantageLumber.com, check out News and Events tab for more info. AdvantageLumber.com, JLC Live Show.
AdvantageLumber.com, JLC Live Show, Rhode Island. Hope to see you there. I get somebody to cut this. We got people swarming our booth already. Come on, guys.